So hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to fix calendar appointments not showing in your Outlook application. Okay, so guys, this issue is usually happen due to the sync problem, wrong calendar select and filter or the account configuration issues. Okay, so guys, first of all, you check if the correct calendar is selected. So you open your Outlook application and in the calendar section, here you go and make sure that you select the right calendar. Okay, then guys, you try to force sync your calendar. To force sync, first you open your calendar and simply swipe down to refresh it. Okay, like here, you swipe down and refresh it. Okay, and wait for to sync completely. Then guys, you try to update your Outlook application once. Sometimes the older version create this issue. So just open the Play Store and guys go to the option of search, and here you simply search your Outlook application and update it. Okay, instead of using app, so guys, you try to log in once on your web application. Sometime maybe there is a server related issue, so maybe it perfectly on the web. If it shows on the web, so you just wait for server up. Okay, so just open the Chrome and you simply wait for login. First you Outlook go to the website of outlooklive.com, and here you enter your credentials. Here, after enter the credentials, you click on the option of calendar, and guys, here it shows your all calendar, your meetings and everything. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. Another thing is guys, you try to clear your app caches. For clearing the app caches, simply long press on your app, just go to the info section, and in the info section guys, go to the option of storage and click on the option of clear caches, and you try to do force stop also. Still having the issue, so guys, you try to disable your battery optimization. For disable your battery optimization, simply swipe down, go to the control section, and guys, here you see the option of battery saver, and please try to turn it off. Okay, and guys, you also enable your background data. For enabling the background data, you simply go to your settings. So just go to the app setting. So for this, long press on it, app info, and guys, click on the option of mobile data and Wi-Fi and enable your background data. So these are the fix that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.